Welcome to our guide on how to enable instant video messages on Telegram. Let's go through the steps to ensure a smooth experience with video messages. Step 1. Before sending video messages on Telegram, it's crucial that both you and your recipient have the app updated to the latest version. This ensures that video messages work seamlessly without any issues. Step 2. To enable camera access for Telegram on your Android device, you need to grant the app permission to access your device's camera. This step is essential for capturing and sending video messages within the app. By following these steps, you can easily enable and utilize instant video messages on Telegram to communicate with your contacts in a more dynamic and engaging way. Ensure that both you and the recipient have the app updated and camera access enabled to make the most out of this feature. Thank you for watching, and we hope this guide helps you navigate the process of enabling instant video messages on Telegram. Enjoy sending video messages effortlessly and enhancing your communication experience on the platform.